In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange appointment types on Acuity scheduling. This handy guide will walk you through every step to make your scheduling system more organized and efficient, ensuring your clients can easily find the services they're looking for. First, let's head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens, where you can manage appointments, clients, and services with just a few clicks. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various options, but for now our focus is on logging in to access your account. So click on the login button, usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email address associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, press the Next button to proceed. Following that, you'll have the option to continue with Google. This is particularly convenient if your Acuity account is linked with a Google account, as it streamlines the login process. Simply click on Continue with Google. Once you've clicked, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Select the Google account linked to your Acuity scheduling account. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're accessing the correct scheduling system, especially if you manage multiple accounts or services. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to the appointment type section. This part of the platform is where you can view, edit, and organize all the different services you offer. To get there, follow the provided link, which should take you directly to the appointment types page. Here you'll encounter a visual representation of your various services, each possibly falling under different categories based on your organizational preferences. The next step is to click on Types. This might seem a bit redundant since you're already in the appointment type section, but this specific action will bring you to the area where you can actually manage and rearrange your services. Think of it as going from viewing the cover of a book to turning its pages. Now for the fun part, rearranging your services. You'll see that each service or appointment type is represented in a way that allows for click and drag functionality. This means you can literally pick up a service, figuratively of course, and drag it to its desired category or position. It's similar to organizing files on your computer. Just click on the service you wish to move, hold, drag it to where you want it to be, and then release. But why rearrange services? Well, it's all about making it as easy as possible for your clients to find what they're looking for. You might want to arrange services by popularity, duration, or even price. The goal is to provide a seamless experience for your clients, reducing the time they spend searching and increasing their satisfaction with your service. As you drag your services to their new spots, keep in mind the overall structure and flow of your appointment types. You might find it helpful to categorize services in a way that makes sense for your business model. For instance, if you offer different types of consultations, grouping them together under a consultations category could be advantageous. Remember, the changes you make will be immediately visible to your clients, so it's worth taking a moment to ensure everything is perfectly organized. After you've rearranged your services, give the layout a final review. Check that all services are in their correct categories and that the overall arrangement makes sense logically and visually. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged your appointment types on Acuity scheduling. This might seem like a small tweak, but it can significantly enhance your client's booking experience, ensuring they can find the right service quickly and without hassle. In conclusion, Acuity scheduling offers powerful tools to make managing your services a breeze, and understanding how to rearrange your appointment types is part of harnessing that power. With this guide, you should feel confident in organizing your offerings in the best way possible, making your scheduling system work for you and your clientele. Remember, a well-organized scheduling system not only benefits your clients, but also helps you keep your services neat and manageable. Thank you for following along, and happy scheduling.